Well guys, the day has come. Check it out. Been waiting for this for 3 months. They have arrived. Look what's arrived. How exciting. Moto cases from Lonerider. Let's get them unpacked. See what we got. Use a blunt instrument like my tongue, some would say. Oh my God, I've been waiting for this for a while. Righto, let's see how this is packed up. So what we got here, this will probably be the fitting kit. I love their packing. Oh dear, look at that. Loving it. Look at the packing. It's made me go wobbly. Oh, you just gotta love their engineering. Seriously. Come on, guys and girls. That's just... You don't want to put a top case on that. That's a work of art. I kid you not, that is from an engineering perspective, that is absolutely the dog's danglies. Woohoo! Oh my word, you are joking me. Oh yes, oh yes, get rid of that. Oh, that's a thing of beauty. Oh my God. In a bag. I love the way the lid's pre-tensioned. Guys, you got to see this. Look. Just look. Just feast your eyes. Just feast them on that engineering. Look at it. The back protector's just super. I can't speak. You can strap things to it. I can put my water pack on it. I can put my tripod on it. Just forget being a size. It's got infinite adjustment on size because you can cover the thing in product stuff. Flipping heck, that's amazing. I'm actually speechless. It doesn't take much, but removable liner just clips out. Little Lonerider badge. Stunning. Guys, this is stunning. Stunning, stunning, stunning. I can't stop opening it. I cannot stop looking at it. You're all going to think I've gone a bit mad, but I promise you that the engineering in this, it's like, what? I know I'm a nerd, and I piss and moan about the engineering on that thing. Right? I do. Whoa. Hold the horses. I've got to do something right now. Sorry guys, I literally couldn't wait. Couldn't wait. Tell me that's not a thing of beauty. Look at it. Look at it. It suits the bike. It suits the bike. Lonerider, you've cracked it. You've actually improved the looks of the GS. You have. You genuinely have. You've made a bland, ugly looking swan, mutant swan, look cool. Well done. Well done. I'm getting down to barnstorming right now. What do you think of this, guys? Check this out. Lonerider, I made your bike look pretty. Don't blow off. I've not put the rack on yet. I'm going to put the rack on now. Unbelievable, unbelievable, stunning. I know you think I've probably gone mad, but hey. And look, watch. Case operation one-handed. Woohoo! It is too. Because I've got a camera in my hand. Doesn't get better than that, guys. It just doesn't. It just genuinely doesn't get better than that. You've improved the looks of the GS. Well done. Looks kind of military and utilitarian. Let's take this damn thing off. I'm like an excited child on Christmas Day that's just been given a new iPhone and playing with the box it came in. There's my iPhone and there's the box it came in. I love it. Absolutely love it. Right, back to serious business. Let's get the big one unpacked. And here we go again. This is 57 litre. The big daddy. This is the one. This very one is the one you want to be taking on tour with you. Whoa, whoa, whoa. It's like a scaled up version of the other one. Absolutely cavernous. Crikey. Even comes with a light. Ding. I thought when they packed it they didn't put a fitting kit in, but it's so big it's gone inside. Exactly the same as the other one, the smaller one, but this is 57 litre in a bag. Honestly guys, this is massive. There is no need for anything else on tour, I don't think. I just cannot get over the engineering. Your wife can lean against there, or your boyfriend, whoever you've got at the time. Look at it! Speechless. I love good engineering. This, it's just, this is lovely. I'll tell you what, if you gave me this on Christmas Day, a pair of socks, forget it. This, well, I'd be out in the shed just going, whoa. Honestly, I just, get out of the way, box. This is just sublimely beautiful. It's just, there's something so nice about it. It's the care and the design and the, I mean, look at the backrest. I mean, it's soft, it's tactile, it's rugged, it's it's everything. Look inside. Quick, look inside. Let's look inside. Woohoo! That is big. You just can't fathom it, can you? You're just looking at it thinking, this guy's gone nuts. This is just, I mean, look. That's my iPhone in there. It's huge! And look how bright it is. And it comes with a light, which is rechargeable. I don't think all of them come with 2 lights. And these are the lock sets. So you want to get these coded to BMW keys, go to your dealer. We'll do that another day. But I tell you what, it's good. Does it crowd the GS? No, it does not. They both look, the 57 and the smaller one looks, this one even was better. That says I'm going on tour. That says I'm going on tour with the wife on the back, with her new armchair. That is a no messing touring box. I just can't get over the looks. I'm going to wander around this all day, just backwards and forwards like this. You made the, I'm not kidding, Lonerider, you've made the GS look good. How have you done that? How have you done it?